Hey there, it's Anna with WTI, and I have found the perfect little speaker that complements my desk setup and really packs a punch in the sound department. I am in love with this wood wireless soundbar from Smalody, and just because it's named that does not mean it is small in sound. This thing can really pack a punch and it gets loud. I love the sound of it. Just give a listen to this. I love that this has a great battery life, so I can use it with my PC or use it as the Bluetooth speaker around the house. I've even hooked it up to my record player, and it is just such a good quality speaker. I am extremely impressed with it and highly recommend it. And that is my point of view.